If you want to produce tutorials and how-to videos so that you can help people understand the step-by-step process of using a piece of software, an app, or even a website, or if you need to capture quality B-roll of a website or a piece of software, then this video is for you. Screenshots are a great way to snag and fool around with an image, but what about if you need a video of your iPhone screen? What then? The screen recording function is a powerful, free tool that's included in iPhones, iPads, and Macs. Let's take a step up. First, open up your iPhone settings. Scroll down till you get to the Control Center tab. There, you can customize what options are in your included controls. These are the options that will be available when you open the Control Center using the shortcut gesture applicable for your phone type. For iPhones with a home button, it's swiping up from the bottom. For iPhones without the home button, it's swiping down from the top right center. There are many options that you can customize, but for this video, we're only looking for one in particular. It's the screen recording option. Add that by hitting the green plus button and close your settings. Now, when you access the Control Center, you'll see the screen recording option available. Simply tapping the icon will let you know that it's going to record your screen with a short 3-second countdown. If you navigate back to the home screen or an app, you'll see this helpful little recording indicator at the top left of your screen, letting you know that you are indeed rolling. I even tested to see if it would keep recording if I accessed and recorded on the front and rear cameras, and it does. I checked to see if I recorded audio in the Voice Memos app, would it also record it into the screen recording file, and yes. The answer is yes, it keeps rolling through all of it. Awesome. Thank you, Apple. This is a valuable tool for creators and educators. You can also press and hold the icon to adjust certain aspects of the recording, things like toggling the recording audio on and off. And you can choose where the screen recording will be saved. The default is in your Photos app. Notice the disclosure at the top. The recording will include everything on your screen, including notifications. Putting your phone on Do Not Disturb will ensure that you don't end up recording anything unsavory, like a text message from your hot wife. I can't seem to get these other options to work. Only the Photos option seems to be functional on my iPhone X, iOS 14 at the time this video was made. Regardless, I don't really see why you'd want to save them anywhere else anyway. Photos has always worked fine for me, and then I export the files to wherever I am performing my editing. Normally, I'll just airdrop them into my project folder on my iMac. Or, if I'm editing on my iPhone, I'll just import it into Vilo or Videoleap. If you can get these other save locations to work, please leave a comment. I'd love to see the user experience. Heck, do a screen recording of it and upload it. Drop a link to your video. Now, let's talk about screen capture on the Mac computer and laptop. I work on an iMac, so that's what we're going to be viewing the demonstration in. However, the process is the same in their laptop lineup. Start by opening Quicktime application. I'd say go ahead and add it to your dock if it's not there already. If you're not sure where to find it, open your Finder, look at your sidebar for applications. In there you can scroll to Queue, right-click, Add to Dock, open Quicktime. If Applications isn't in your sidebar, select your Finder, go to the Finder tab at the top left of your screen, select Preferences, select the Sidebar tab, and check the little box near the Applications item. Then follow the process to locate and add Quicktime to your dock. Okay, Quicktime is open. Let's go to File. You'll see 3 options: Movie, Audio, and Screen Recording. Yes, you can record all of these things directly into your Mac. Dope. Again, thank you, Apple, for making creating that much easier. Select New Screen Recording. When Quicktime is selected, you can also use the shortcut Control-Command-N. Then a menu like this one will appear. The 3 icons on the far left are for capturing images, aka screenshots. From left to right, entire screen, selected window, or selected portion of the window. The center icons are for recording video, and your options are either record entire desktop as you are viewing it, or record a selected portion of the desktop. You can drag the points to adjust the shape of the area that you're capturing when in selected portion. Normally, I just do a full screen grab and deal with cropping it or scaling it in post-production, but it's your pie, so cut it however you like. Then there's the options icon, and finally the record icon. Clicking the arrow near the options icon will reveal 4 options: Save to, Timer, Microphone, and some preference settings, like showing mouse clicks or saving the settings for the next time you open the app. I recommend showing mouse clicks for anything educational or tutorial style. If you do need to get footage of a website or a piece of software for B-roll for a commercial, I'd say avoid showing mouse clicks. If you leave the microphone option on none, then the screen recording will not capture any audio. Conversely, selecting a microphone will allow you to capture the audio. This includes any audio coming out of the device's speakers, since the built-in microphone or any microphone will pick up the room noise. You can pre-select the save location, but it defaults as QuickTime, and when Save to QuickTime is used, it automatically pulls up your video for review once you hit the stop button. By the way, you can stop the recording by hitting the stop icon in the top right of your screen. In QuickTime Video Viewer, you can change where the video is saved and rename the file for better file management. Normally, I just save the recording from the QuickTime Video Viewer right into my media folder within whatever project I'm working on, but it really doesn't matter, as long as you can locate it. If you do save the file in QuickTime, it will be saved to your desktop, and it'll automatically be saved as screen recording the date at thetime.mov. By a landslide, the most common and practical application for screen recordings in my experience is getting footage of a client's website for their video. From general brand videos to event or even donation call to actions, this is an easy and fast way to get the shots that I need without having to deal with animating graphics, and if you get comfortable with the post-production piece, you can keyframe points and use more advanced plugins to draw attention to specific areas. I also use screen recording in videos like this when I'm demonstrating apps, software, or digital tools. I hope you got value from this content. If so, hit that like button so YouTube knows that people searching for solutions to screen recording should see this video. And I'd be grateful if you hit the subscribe button so I know that you enjoyed this video. Let's take a step up.